In this video, we're going to speak about automated AVD agent updates within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.4 console. We provided the ability for customers to update agents on a scheduled basis for a couple of releases, and in the 4.4 release, we've added some improvements to hopefully make the administrator's life slightly easier. To access the properties for this, we simply go to the host pool properties and the AVD tab, which contains generic details about the pool itself. From here, we can enable a scheduled AVD agent upgrade, specify our maintenance window, so in this instance, Saturday at 8 AM, set an additional window if for any reason we weren't able to complete, Sunday, 8 AM, and additionally in 4.4 we can now select the option to power on all hosts during the maintenance window, and the tooltip provides us information on this. Enabling the setting will ensure that all hosts are powered on at the start of the maintenance window. Hosts which are started as part of this process will be shut down after 2 hours, and already running hosts, so hosts which were powered on at the start of the maintenance window, will not have their power state changed. Hopefully this feature will simplify your deployment of AVD agent updates in future. I hope this video has been useful, and thank you for your time.